Hey guys, so if your car's been sitting out in the sun for a long period of time and it's extremely hot outside, especially for Hondas, I believe this is just a Honda issue. I haven't heard of anything, I haven't read too much about it, but especially on my car, I drive a 99 Acura Integra, and when it's extremely hot outside, I'll try to start the car and it won't start. It'll start, it'll shut off. It'll start and it'll bog, and it'll idle probably at maybe 200 RPM. I'll have to give it some gas, bring it up to 2,000 RPM, and then it'll finally start after a certain amount of time, after a couple tries. But what that might be is your fuel main relay. It's the relay assembly from the Honda dealership. It's part 39400-S10003. So what I'm going to be doing today is replacing my main relay. This little problem right here can cause the problem that I was talking about, and I hope this is beneficial to you. Alright, so what you guys are going to do is you're going to actually go under the driver's side panel. You can see the main relay right there. You're going to have to take out a couple panels. It's going to be the panel under the steering column. So it's this one right here. It's two Phillips head screws. You're going to want to take out this little panel right here. It's the panel that covers the hood latch. Okay, don't mind that. That's just my alarm. Yeah, it's my alarm. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you're going to get to that. So start by taking off the panel that covers the hood latch as well as the one under the... to add, you guys, there was actually one more screw. It was under the change holder / ashtray under the steering column. So it's this one right here. Pop out this, actually yeah, it is a change holder, so pop out the change holder. There is one screw, it's up top, pull that out. So there's 3 screws total, 2 at the bottom, 1 on each side, and then 1 where the change holder is, and it should pop right out just like that. If you just want to get this out of your way, unplug this right here. For those of you who don't know what this is, it's the button that controls the maintenance light. So when you get your oil change or when it requires a maintenance check, if you push the button at the bottom here, it turns off the maintenance light. So I got all the panels out of the way, you guys. Gotta unscrew that bolt right there. It's a 10mm bolt, and that should take out the main relay. After that, it's pretty much just plug and play. And then, so now that the main relay, the new main relay, is plugged in, put all the panels back together, which I did. All the screws are back together. Start the car to make sure it starts, to see if there's any check engine lights or if there's a check engine light. Hopefully there's nothing wrong. It should be, and it should be an easy startup. Easy start, no check engine light, and you're good to go. Last thing, you guys, is to check the fuel main relay, the old one. Honestly, before I even bought the new one, I didn't bother to check the old one to see if it was bad. I just gave it a shot. I was reading on a whole bunch of forums, watching a whole bunch of videos, and it seemed like all the things that were happening in my car were the problems of this. So to check to see if yours is bad, the back part of it or the plug part of it, you would take off this white cover. Just pry it open with a flathead screwdriver. Comes right off. Mine was popped off. So pull this assembly out, and this is the main relay assembly. So what you'd want to check for are cracks in the solder, cracks in the chip itself, burning. I don't know if you could see that, but the solders are burnt around the solder right there. You can see the goldish, yellowish. Yeah, it's goldish or yellowish. It's signifying it's burnt. That is the cause and can be the cause of your car improperly starting. So honestly, this part, brand new, is $60. I bought it off OEM Acura parts. Fairly cheap, you know, 60 bucks, easy fix, and that's pretty much it.